Have you ever wished you could speak English so clearly that people instantly understand you? Imagine talking to someone confidently, every word flowing smoothly, every sound coming out naturally, without hesitation, without worrying about your accent. Most English learners feel shy or insecure about how they sound, thinking, my accent is not perfect, or people might not understand me. But here's the truth. No one is born with a perfect accent. Everyone learns it. And today you will too. Because in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to improve your English accent and pronunciation naturally. Not by copying others, but by training your voice to sound clear, confident, and authentic. So stay with me till the end, because this one lesson can completely transform the way you speak English forever. Hi everyone, I'm your English teacher, and welcome back to I'm Your English Teacher, where we make learning English simple, practical, and powerful. Today we're going to talk about something that can truly change the way people hear you, your accent and pronunciation. Grammar helps you build sentences, but pronunciation gives them life. You might have the best grammar and vocabulary in the world, but if your pronunciation isn't clear, people might still struggle to understand you, and that can be frustrating. So let's fix it, step by step. First, let's understand what accent and pronunciation really mean. Accent is simply the way your voice sounds when you speak a language. It's shaped by your first language, your culture, and the sounds you grew up hearing. Pronunciation, on the other hand, is how correctly you say a word. The good news? You don't need to sound like a native English speaker. You just need to sound clear and natural. Accent is your identity. Pronunciation is your clarity. You can have your own beautiful accent. Just make sure your words are easy to understand. When your pronunciation improves, everything changes. You sound more confident, professional, and friendly. You stop worrying about how you speak and start focusing on what you say. People stop asking you to repeat yourself, and conversations become smoother. Remember, the goal is not to erase your accent, it's to polish it. You don't have to sound like an American or British person. You just need to sound like the best version of yourself. The first step to improving your accent is listening. Before you speak like fluent English speakers, you must learn to listen like them. If your ears don't recognize the right sound, your mouth can't produce it. So make listening your daily habit. Listen to English movies, YouTube videos, podcasts, or interviews. Focus not only on the words, but on how they sound, the rhythm, the melody, the tone. English has a musical flow. Some words are stressed, others are soft. It's like waves. The more you listen, the more your brain learns those sound patterns naturally. Here's a great daily practice. Pick a short clip, maybe from a show or podcast, 1 or 2 minutes long. Listen carefully 3 or 4 times. Then try to repeat it exactly like the speaker. Copy their tone, their speed, their emotion. Don't worry if you can't say it perfectly at first. Just repeat and match their rhythm. This technique is called shadowing. It's one of the most powerful ways to improve your accent naturally. Here's how shadowing works. You play a sentence and speak along with the speaker at the same time, like you're echoing them. Try it with this example. I don't know what you mean. A native speaker says it like, I don't know what you mean. Hear the difference? The words connect. Don't know becomes to know, and what you becomes whatcha. That's how real, natural English sounds. When you practice shadowing for just 10 minutes daily, your speech rhythm and flow start changing automatically. Now, let's talk about rhythm and tone, or what we call stress and intonation. English isn't a flat language. It moves up and down like a melody. The way you stress words can completely change meaning. For example, I didn't say he stole the money. If you stress it means someone else said it. If you stressed it means you deny saying it. If you stress it means someone else stole it. So the same sentence has multiple meanings, just by changing stress. That's why rhythm and tone are everything in English speaking. When you speak, don't say every word with the same energy. Make your voice move like a wave. Go up, go down, add emotion. Now, let's talk about something called connected speech. In natural English, words don't sound separate, they blend together. Native speakers connect their words smoothly. For example, what are you doing becomes whatcha doing. I'm going to eat becomes I'm going to eat. Did you see it becomes did ya see it? This connection makes English sound fast and fluent. Don't try to force it. It comes naturally with listening and practice. You can train your ear to notice these connections, and soon your own speech will start to flow in the same natural way. Here's a simple tip. Record yourself speaking English every day. Pick a few lines, say them aloud, and record them. Then play them back and compare them with a native speaker. Don't worry if you sound different. Focus on what feels off. Maybe your rhythm is flat. Maybe your tone is too stiff. The moment you start noticing these things, you start improving faster than ever. Now let's talk about your mouth. Yes, your mouth, your tongue, lips, and jaw are muscles. And just like any muscle, they need training. If you want to pronounce words clearly, you have to exercise those muscles. Try this. Say la la la, ta, da da da, slowly and clearly. It helps your tongue get more control. Then say oe, oe, oe. This helps your lips move properly for vowel sounds. Next, exaggerate words like beautiful, communication, perfectly. Say them slowly, then at normal speed. It might feel funny at first, but this is how your mouth learns correct movement. Most learners also struggle with a few specific English sounds. For example, mixing V and W, like very and wary, or mixing S and SH, sip and ship, or T and TH, tin and thin. These sound small, but they make a big difference. Try practicing these pairs every day. Thin, tin, ship, sip, fan, van, wine, vine. Listen carefully, repeat slowly, and record yourself. Your tongue and lips will start remembering the right positions. Here's something important. Speaking slowly doesn't mean you're weak in English. In fact, fluent speakers often speak slowly and clearly. Speaking too fast actually makes you sound nervous or unclear. So slow down. Breathe between sentences. Focus on clarity, not speed. Instead of saying, "Hi, my name is Sandy, I'm learning Jenglish," say, "Hi, my name is Ollie, and I'm learning English." Sounds better, right? It's not about how fast you speak. It's about how confidently you express your thoughts. Here's a simple routine you can follow for just 15 minutes a day. Spend 5 minutes listening to native English, maybe a podcast or interview, then 5 minutes shadowing. Repeat exactly what you hear. Spend 3 minutes recording yourself and 2 minutes speaking freely. Talk about your day, your plans, or anything you like. Short, daily practice works far better than long, random sessions. Consistency is what builds fluency. And finally, let's talk about mindset. Don't ever be ashamed of your accent. Your accent is a part of who you are, your culture, your roots, your story. The goal is not to erase it, but to refine it. You don't have to sound like anyone else. You just have to sound clear, natural, and proud of the way you speak. Every accent has beauty in it, as long as it's understandable. So don't chase perfection. Chase clarity and confidence. Remember, your voice matters. The way you speak is your identity. Keep listening, keep practicing, and believe in your ability to improve, because the world deserves to hear your English voice, clearly, confidently, and beautifully. Have you ever listened to someone speak English so smoothly that it almost sounds like a song? Their words just flow naturally, effortlessly, and you think, how do they speak like that? Well, in this part, you're going to learn exactly how to sound like that, not by memorizing rules, but by training your mouth, your ears, and your confidence together. This is a practical transformation stage where you stop learning English and start feeling English. Let's begin with your breathing. Yes, your breath controls your sound. Most people don't realize that nervousness in speaking English is actually short breathing. When your breath is short, your voice becomes weak and shaky. So before speaking, take a deep breath in and release it slowly. Do this 3 times before you speak. You'll instantly feel calmer and sound more stable. Confident speaking always starts with calm breathing. Now, let's do a small exercise together. Say this sentence with me. Today is a beautiful day, and I'm ready to speak with confidence. Say it slowly. Feel the air moving through your chest, your throat, your lips. Every sound comes from controlled breath. This one simple technique, breathing before speaking, can make your voice sound 50% more confident. Next comes the most powerful trick of all, emotion. If your voice has no emotion, your words have no life. Think of actors, speakers, or even YouTubers. They don't just say words, they feel them. When you speak English, imagine the emotion behind every sentence. For example, I'm so happy to see you. Say it like you mean it. Smile while saying it. Your smile changes your sound. Or, I can't believe this happened. Say it with surprise. Don't be afraid to use emotion. That's what makes your English sound alive and real. Let's do some emotional drills. Repeat after me with real feeling. I did it. Proud. That's amazing. Excited. Oh no. Sad. Really? Surprised. Thank you so much. Grateful? Each emotion trains your tone, your pitch, and your natural rhythm. The more emotions you practice, the more expressive your English becomes. Now, let's move to pronunciation drills. Remember, your mouth muscles need exercise. Repeat these sound pairs slowly and clearly. Thin, tin, ship, sip, fan, van, wine, vine. Now slightly faster. Thin, tin, ship, sip, sip. Your tongue must come between your teeth, 4 teeth. Think, thank, Thursday. Don't bite too hard, just a soft touch. For V, your lower lip touches your upper teeth. Very, every, love. Small difference, big impact. Here's another powerful exercise, exaggeration. Say every word bigger than normal, like an actor. For example, beautiful pronunciation, incredible communication, perfect conversation. Exaggerate it. Open your mouth wide. Use your jaw. Then say it again normally. You'll notice your pronunciation becomes clearer. The more you exaggerate during practice, the clearer you sound in real life. Now let's practice connecting words. The secret of sounding fluent. Native speakers connect their words like a smooth river. Listen carefully. I want to eat becomes, I want to eat. Gotta go becomes gotta go. Let me see becomes let me see. Did you becomes did ya? This is how English sounds in the real world. Repeat them slowly. I want to eat. Gotta go. Let me see. Did ya call him? Don't worry if it sounds fast. Just feel the connection. No big pauses between words. Now imagine you're in a real-life situation. Let's practice small dialogues. Short, real, and useful. Hey, how's it going? B, pretty good, thanks. How about you? A, can't complain. Just busy with work. B, yeah, same here. Life never stops, huh? Notice the tone. Relaxed, friendly, natural. Don't focus on grammar here. Focus on flow. Let's try another. A, excuse me. Could you tell me where the station is? B, sure. Just go straight and turn left at the lights. A, thanks a lot. B, no problem. Have a great day. These dialogues help your mouth and brain work together. The more you practice them aloud, the faster your fluency grows. Now a confidence exercise. Record yourself saying, I speak English clearly. I am improving every single day. Repeat it 10 times. This is your self-belief statement. The more you say it, the more your brain believes it. Confidence doesn't come after fluency. It creates fluency. Let's work on sentence rhythm, the natural up and down of English. Say this, I really like this movie. Stress on really. Now try, I really like this movie. Different meaning, right? English rhythm is built on stress. Some words louder, others softer. Practice reading short lines with stress. I don't know. Maybe later. That's not fair. What do you mean? When you stress right, you sound alive and expressive. Now, let's talk about one of the most ignored parts, listening like a native. Every day, listen to 10 minutes of real English, not slow learner content, but real people talking. It could be an interview, a vlog, or even a TV show. Don't try to understand every word. Just feel the rhythm. Mimic their energy, their pause, their emotion. Slowly. Your ear learns a sound pattern, and your mouth automatically starts copying it. One more simple trick. Sing in English. Yes, singing is powerful for accent training. Pick a slow English song. Read the lyrics. Sing along. Don't worry about your voice. Singing teaches you tone, rhythm, and connected speech naturally. You can learn more from one song than an hour of textbook pronunciation. Now let's fix the most common mistake. Fear. Many learners say, I understand English but can't speak. Why? Because they think too much. They translate in their head before speaking. Stop doing that. English is not about words. It's about rhythm. Speak what comes first. Even if it's simple, even if it's imperfect, speak. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. Every mistake you make is a step toward fluency. Let's do a spontaneous speaking drill. Take any random topic, for example, my favorite place. You have 30 seconds. Just speak. Don't plan, don't stop, just keep talking. Even if you repeat words, it's fine. You're training your fluency muscle. The goal is not perfection, it's flow. Next, mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and speak. Watch your lips, your expressions, your eyes. Speak with emotion, like you're talking to someone real. This builds natural body language, which is a huge part of confidence. Your face, your voice, your eyes, they all speak English together. Now, let's add a real-world challenge. For 1 week, set a daily goal to speak English for 10 minutes. You can talk to yourself, to your phone, to a friend, or even to an AI assistant. The goal is simple, 10 minutes daily. After 7 days, record yourself again. You'll be shocked at the difference. And remember, confidence is a habit. Every time you hesitate, smile and speak anyway. Every time you forget a word, replace it with another one. Every time you make a mistake, laugh and keep going. That's how fluent speakers are born. Not from perfection, but from persistence. Before we end, repeat this after me, slowly and confidently. I am not afraid to speak English. My accent is my identity. I am improving every single day. I speak English clearly, confidently, and proudly. Say this daily. Say it like you mean it. Your journey to fluency is not about learning everything. It's about practicing small things consistently. Listen more, speak more, record more, and celebrate small wins. Don't wait for the perfect time. The best time to sound confident in English is now. So take a deep breath, smile, and speak. Your English doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be yours. Because when you speak with clarity and confidence, the world listens.